Visualizations, Dependency Parse trees and named entities. There are various ways of visualizing texts. Some of the most popular ways are listed here. Visualizing sentences using a dependency parse tree. Generally, the phrases constituting a sentence depend on each other. We depict these dependencies by using a tree structure known as a dependency parse tree. For instance, the word helps in the sentence "God helps those who help themselves" depends on two other words. These words are God, the one who helps, and those, the ones who are helped. Visualizing named entities in a text corpus. In this case, we extract the named entities from texts and highlight them by using different colors. Exercise: Visualizations, Dependency Parse trees and named entities. In this exercise, we will look at two of the most popular visualization methods. After word clouds, which are dependency parse trees and using named entities. 1. Open a Jupyter notebook. 1. Insert a new cell and add the following code to import the necessary libraries. Import spaCy hashtag. This imports the spaCy library, which you'll use to perform vario from spaCy import displaycy. Python m spaCy download n_core_web_sm hashtag. This model includes tokenization, depend. Import n_core_web_sm hashtag. This imports the English language model, n_core_web_sm, thnlp equals n_core_web_sm.load. Hashtag. This line loads the English language model, n_core_. 1. Depict the sentence "God helps those who help themselves" using a dependency parse tree with the following code. Doc equals NLP, God helps those who help themselves, displaycy.render, doc. Style equals DEP, Jupyter equals true, hashtag. This line of code gives us a dependency tree as shown below. Roll. N sub j. God helps those who proverb PRON 1. Visualize the named entities of the text corpus by adding the following code. Text equals once upon a time there lived a saint named Ramakrishna Paramahansa. His chief disciple Narendranath Dutta, also known as Swami Vivekananda, is the founder of Ramakrishna Mission and Ramakrishna Math. Doc2 equals NLP, text, displaycy.render. Doc2 style equals ent, Jupyter equals true, hashtag. This line of code highlights the named entities from the above text as shown below. Once upon a time there lived a saint named Ramakrishna Paramahansa person. His chief disciple Narendranath Dutta person, also known as Swami Vivekananda person, is the founder of Ramakrishna Mission and Ramakrishna Math.org.